Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2019 with Tudor, looking at the new Black Bay P01. This is a new watch based upon a concept watch that Tudor produced for the US Navy in the late 1960s. They were asked to produce a timepiece to show some new technology, and they were a US Navy supplier producing the Tudor Submariner. So the Tudor Black Bay P01 is a new dive watch that's based upon the Black Bay collection and has a new bezel lock system. Well, it's an old bezel lock system, but it's new for production. It contains the in-house made MT5612 automatic movement, and you can see the crown positioned at 4 o'clock, which is distinctive for the brand. It's a very interesting piece with collectors in mind. It's water resistant 200 meters, and of course, it's a chronometer. Price is $3,950, and you can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.